Welcome to the 9 a.m. HIIT Club. I am Jen. We're here at Coco and we are ready to work. Okay, so soften your knees, transition the weight into your heels. Let's start warming up our upper body, working our arms into some circles. Good, changing directions. Clearing your mind, thinking about the work ahead of us. We've got a fun HIIT class today. We are going to do a pyramid format workout, but we're going to stay with one movement through this pyramid. So if you kind of think about it, we're taking on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 pyramids. We're just going to go through these hills until we get to the end. All right. So, that's kind of a nice way to think about it. Maybe we're just going to take on this challenge this morning. Okay. Good. Make sure that chest and back are nice and loose. All right, hands on hips, elbows to the back. Let's hinge. Start warming up that back side. Okay, this is going to be a time-based format. So we have iterations of 15, 30, 45, 30, and 15 again. Okay, so I'm going to be watching the time. You don't have to. All right, or you can see if I'm making us go too long, but you're muted, so I won't be able to hear you. Sorry. All right, let's take our body weight squats. Narrow your stance just a little bit. Genie arms. All right, so we're going to start off with the reverse lunge with bicep curl. Okay, so the thing about doing the same movement is that we have no transition time literally between exercises, right? So we're going to take a tiny break. Not long enough to get water. We're going to press on through this, okay? Just like the long hike that you got to get 12 miles down the road and you can't rest all day, right? Okay, so you got to get up over the pass and get out the other end. So that's the same with this workout. We'll take tiny little breaks between each segment as we work through one exercise in its complete pyramid. Tiny breaks, not even long enough to get water. And then maybe we'll take 30 seconds at the end as we finish each movement and transition to the next one. Maybe, okay? But we're trying to really get that heart rate up, get a good fatigue going. Okay, so we're starting off with reverse lunge with the bicep curl, okay? And after that, we have knee thrusters with the burpee, okay? So just so you know, we have dumbbells first and then no dumbbells second. Okay, so reverse lunge with the bicep curl. Okay, so get your dumbbells in your hands. You're going to focus on hammer curl here, and we want to stay nice and in balance. Okay, first round is 15 seconds. Okay, ready, steady, inhale through the chest and exhale. Let's go. And I like to curl as I rise. Good, staying nice and level. Good, okay, that was 15 seconds, no problem. Okay, I'm just gonna give myself a tiny little 10-second rest, and then we're going for 30. Okay, ready? Let's go. All right, we gotta have a little rest, otherwise we're just working solid. And I'll give ourselves a little bit of tolerance, whether we get a 10-second break or a 15-second break. Good, okay, now we get another little break. We have our 45. Good, 5 more seconds. Ready, steady, let's go. Good, now we're working for 45 here. Using your exhale, staying level. Good. Nice job. Elbows hanging long. Lat stabilization. Good, okay. Starting to feel it in the biceps now. Heart rate's accelerating. Good, okay. 30 seconds here. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go for 30. Good. Keep those elbows screwed into your rib cage. Clear your mind with your breath. Good. Okay, good. All right. Almost to the last round. Okay, 3, 2, and 1. 15 seconds. Flying by. Last one. Good. Boom. One down. All right, shake those arms out. Now we have knee thrusters with the burpee. All right. Whew. So we're gonna do 3 knee thrusts. We'll alternate directions. So 1, 2, 3, burpee, and then opposite direction, okay? 15 seconds, easy work. Ready, steady, let's go. 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, easy. All right. In through the nose, out through the mouth. Ready, steady, 30 seconds. 1, 2, 3. And 1, 2, 3. 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Good. Plant those hands. No, I'm not doing that. Push up. Okay, time. Because I want to keep my heart rate going. Good. 5 seconds. 3, 2, and 1. Now we got 45. 2, 3. 2, 3. Knee thrust. 3. 1, 2, 3. 1. 30 seconds. 2, 3. Good. All right. Whew. On our way down. Got around a 30 and 15, okay? Ready, steady, let's go. 1, 2, 3, pick it up. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And 1, 2, 3. Good. All right. Here we go. One more round and then we're done with these guys. So let heart rate down. 15 seconds. Ready, steady. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And time. Whew. All right, heart is a-going. Okay, so for the next round, we have squat punches. So this is we've done this one before and we know how challenging this one is, okay? So we're choosing lighter weights on the lighter end of the spectrum. We're gonna sit down in our demi squat and just punch it out. Now this gets tough. So when we get to that tough part, we'll rotate between palm down and then palm facing, okay? But get those dumbbells, all right? Ready, steady, let's go. 15 seconds. Easy work. Weights in your heels, punching back and forth. Good. 3, 2, and 1. Okay, that wasn't so bad. 15 seconds. If we can just chunk it up into 15s. Remember, that's how we had success last time. Okay, ready, steady. Let's go for 30. All right, so I'm breaking it off in chunks at 15. So I'm starting with palms down here. Good. Good. All right, now palms facing if you need it. Good. Three, 2, and 1. Okay. Now we have the tougher one, which is the 45-second version, okay? We can do it. Ready, steady, let's go. 45 seconds, 15 seconds at a time, okay? I started with palms down. Good, and I'm switching, that was 15. I'm doing palms facing. Good. Okay, and switch again, palms down. Good, 10 more seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Woo! Okay, shoulders are starting to feel it. Okay, now we have 30 seconds. Okay, ready, steady, let's go. Palms facing, just to rotate it around. Good, for 15. Feel those biceps and triceps start to get a burn now. Woo, palms down. Good work, come on. Relax in the neck. 3, 2, and 1. Oh, okay. Whew. All right. Believe, guys, believe, okay? All right, we got 15 seconds left. Ready, steady, palms facing for 15. We're almost out of the woods. Okay, keep it up. 3, 2, and 1. Whew. Get those out of here. Ooh, shake those noodles out. Okay, now here comes the hard part. All right, we just did all that shoulder and arm work, and now we got plank ladders. All right, so this is gonna be tough. All right, we gotta stay mentally tough. Take a second, get a quick squig. Okay. All right, I gotta set my little mini timer here now. All right, so we're in high plank, hop, hop, and back to high plank, right? So hop, hop, draw the knees into to the feet, okay? You ready? Steady, we got 15 seconds, go. Hop, hop, out, hop, hop, out. Get those feet off the ground, in and up, in and up, in and up, good. Okay, that's 15 seconds. All right, so now we're gonna set it for 30. Good, all right. Tuck in my shirt. Okay, you guys ready? 3, 2, and 1, let's go. In and up. You got it. It's really easy to lose. the right angle here. Last one. Okay, good. All right, 45 seconds. Okay. All right, so do your best to keep your wrists under your armpits. It's really easy to leak out, but do your best, okay? Ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Let's go. And I'm not even looking at the timer. I'm concentrating on my landing, trying to find my good form. Good. And out, down. Almost done, guys. Last one. Good. Whew. Okay. 30 seconds. Heart rate under control. Good. All right, 30 seconds. We got it. We can do it. Okay. Ready, steady. Let's go. Excellent. Stay with it. We're on the downhill. Good. Whew. Okay. Last one for 15 seconds. All right. Into the nose, after the mouth. Okay. You ready? We can do it. Let's go. In, out, back. And done. Woo! All right, how's that heart rate? Okay, good. And we're halfway done with this workout, okay? Flying by. All right, I'm gonna get a drink. Okay, now we have jackknives. Okay, so we're folding up to the middle. You can either do one arm or two arms, one leg, two legs, whichever you like. So we sometimes call that a starfish crunch when you go opposite arm to toe. I like that one because I find myself getting my torso off the ground a little bit more, as opposed to jackknife. When I get tired, I just bring my legs up and I don't actually pull my torso off the ground. So I might do that variation of it. Okay, so we're on our back for jackknives, okay? All right, arms overhead. We got 15 seconds, easy work. I'm gonna do one arm, one leg. Okay, ready, steady, let's go. So I'm trying to peel my entire torso off the ground to meet my foot. Good, okay. Easy work, that was 15. All right. Okay, ready? We got 30, steady, and go. Keep the belly button in. Exhale and contract through the low belly. Get that torso up, get that leg up. Last one. Whew. Okay, excellent. All right, now we got 45, okay? Remember, low belly is gonna contract, drawing the leg up, drawing the spine up, okay? Ready? We got 45 seconds. 3, 2, and 1. Initiating your exhale before you peel yourself off the ground. Whew. 10 more seconds. Good, and done. Okay. All right, and then we got a round of 30, okay? Round of 30, round of 15. My core is starting to feel fatigued. I gotta focus, I gotta slow it down if I need to, okay? Low belly active, ready, steady, go. 2, 3, 4. Good, keep working. And done, okay. All right, good. 10 seconds off, and then we got a round of 15, okay? Whew. Okay, all right, pelvic floor, transverse rib cage, ready, steady, go. Last one, and you're down. Ooh, ooh, okay, nice work. All right, now we have some chest work and some more core work, okay? So I want you to get your heavy dumbbells, and we're gonna be laying on our back with our feet up in the ground. We're gonna do a chest press, and as we press to the ceiling, we're lowering our legs toward the ground, okay? So we're gonna have two things going at once. You can make them go simultaneous if you want. So press up, legs down. Drop the weights, legs come up. Okay, or you can break it apart in the beginning, right? Okay, we have 15 seconds. Press with the leg raise, okay? So I call this dead bug because we're gonna be on our back with our legs up, okay? So here we are, right? Okay, I'm gonna press, legs are lower, elbows down, legs float up. Now, if you feel this in your low back, bend your knees. Good, okay, pause. All right, because your low belly's gotta stabilize your low back. And if it's too tired to do that, you're gonna feel it in your low back, okay? So bend your knees if you need to. Okay, ready? All right, so I'm up with my legs in chair, and this is how it looks. And I can extend out from chair. Like my legs are sliding through a mail slot. But coming back to chair. Okay, and down. Okay, so your legs, right? Chair to a mail slots are extended out. They can be off the ground at a pretty decent angle or lower to the ground if you want to make it harder, but keep it out of your back. Okay, legs in chair, press and extend and lower, press and extend, return. And you know what I'm feeling right now is my triceps. Woo! keeping that natural arch in your low back by sinking into your low belly. Don't press your back into the mat, just let your belly get heavy. Good, okay, lower with control. That was your 45. All right, you got 30 and 15. Okay, you ready? 5, 4, float your legs up in a chair. 3, 2, press and extend. That's my exhale, is my low belly sinks in. Like, give me one more. Okay, lower the legs in the chair, dumbbells on your chest. Whew. Heavy low belly. Okay, we got 15 seconds left. All right, you ready? Legs up in the chair. Press and extend. One more rep. Good, and all the way down. Whew. Okay, like I said, my triceps are tired. Okay, good, low belly. Okay, whew. Now we're gonna get active again. We have squat thrusters. Whew. So we're gonna end with some work, all right? So get as heavy a dumbbells as you want for these squat thrusters. If your shoulders are beat, choose something a little bit lighter. Squat thrusters, we got them stacked on the rack, squat, press them to the ceiling as you rise up, okay? I'm gonna start off with these heavier ones, but I'm making no promises. All right, ready? 15 seconds. Steady, and go. One. Dang, those triceps. Good, okay, 15, all right. Now I'm gonna face you guys. All right, so for 30, okay. All right, get them back up on the rack. Ready, steady, let's go. Good, stay with it. Feel the weight in your heels explode. Good. One more rep. Good, lower with control. Whew. All right, heart rate's picking up again. All right, strong and powerful. We got a 45er now. Ready, get it on the rack. Let's go. Good. Let's master this, guys. Come on, push through. Good, you got it. You're at 30 seconds now. Come on. Good. All right. Excellent. 45. Whew. Okay. 30 seconds. Ready? Get it up on the rack. Let's go. All right. Relax through your brain. Relax between your eyebrows. I know you're tired. Just a little more work. good. Okay, good. We got a 15-seconder. Ready? Steady, get it on the rack. Let's go. Good, and all the way down. Whew. Okay, we are done with the dumbbells. Our last round ain't gonna be easy. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. We got it. We're gonna do mountain climbers. Okay. All right. Easy work. 2.5 minutes, right? That's it. 2.5 minutes of work. Shake those arms out a little bit. Okay. We can do this. All right. Set yourself up to be successful. Okay. It all starts in the head. All right. Believe that you can do this. Okay. Use that breath, drive that adrenaline just a little bit. Okay, you ready? Get down into tabletop, wrists under armpits, okay? We're gonna step back into high plank and get going. Okay, ready, steady, let's go. 15 seconds is like nothing, right? Light and easy. Good. All right, nice job. Easy work. Okay, no problem. All right. Okay, you ready? Steady. Let's go for 30. Nice and easy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Whew. All right. Now we got 45. Okay. Tiny bit of child's pose. We're on the way up, on the way down. We're almost done with this workout, okay? Let's keep this workout in the mouth. Right here, okay? 45 seconds, let's go. Ready, steady, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Whew. All right, good. Whew. All right, heart rate's going. I know you're in there. I know you're in there, muscle. I can feel you. I only got 45 seconds left. Ready, steady, let's go. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Whew. All right, one more round of 15. Whew. Okay. Ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Woo! Back in that child's pose. Whew. Whew. Try and slow down your breath. Lean back. All right, now you're opening up your chest to the ceiling. I'm trying to lengthen through my quads. That was a lot of contracting through my quads with those mountain climbers. So they're probably feeling tight, so you want to open them up now as you're able. So I'm lowering down onto my elbows, trying to keep my knees into the ground, letting my head fall heavy. Good. Okay, now if that's too much, let's go ahead and get into that half kneel. Okay, so nice half kneel. Put that back leg on the balls of the feet, and we'll slide forward, opening up that hip flexor. The knees driving forward, but it's straight over the toes. Not too much. I don't want you to feel any pain in the knees. So if it's a little bit too much, slide the heel out. And then go again, because the whole focus is creating distance between your knee on the ground and your torso. Okay, not just your hips, but also your torso, because you want to stretch the hip flexors. And the deep muscle tissue attaches kind of to the posterior side of your core. So you want to create length there to get into those. All right, slide forward or back and then forward again. Trying to soften. I've got my right knee on the ground, so it's the right side I'm stretching. Okay, now I'm going to extend that left leg. So my heel is up and that left leg is long, and I'm going to hinge forward into that hamstring. So it's a kneeling hamstring stretch. And I'm focusing on trying to hinge, trying to melt forward, stretching that left hammy. Good. Reaching for the toes if I'm able. Trying to keep your shoulder down. So reach from your lats. Melt your chest. All right. And then come back up and we'll switch sides. So take that left knee down. Right foot up. Okay, walk that foot out and let's get into that hip flexor. Lengthen. Stay in parallel, no twisting here, okay? Shoulders and hips pointed forward. Toes pointed forwards. Lengthen through that left hip flexor. Come back up to your neutral and then go again. Think soften through that crease, soft. Then one more time, return and then extend, soft. Return, then slide that right foot out so it's out on its heel. Engage your core so you stay balanced, okay? Left foot, the balls of the feet are driven into the ground to engage that glute. And then you're gonna melt forward, softening through that quad. Don't contract through it. You just want it to be soft and chill. And then lengthen through that right hamstring. And again, lengthening through your hamstring, through your low back extensors, melting your chest. So reach from your lats to keep that nice neutral spine. Good. All right. Come back to center. On your knees, extend your palms and your fingertips up toward the sky. Right hand reaches for left wrist. Open up to the side. Return to center. Left hand reaches for right wrist and open up the right side. Good. Okay, hands down at your sides. Thanks for a great workout, guys. It was a great workout Wednesday. Hard work, efficient. We're in and out in 40 minutes. All right. Have a great day. We will see you Friday at 9 a.m. Bye.